model kit review is of the Tornado. It's a 144 scale model by MiniHobbies, and boxes will beat up from its trip over here. Here are our instructions. Looks like it'll be a swing wing. And then our painting and decal guide. So we have two main sprues. We actually have recessed panel lines. And we have some weapons, landing gear. Here are our exhausts. And our stabilizers, some pylons. Here's the main body, fuselage. Top has the seats and cockpit molded in. And here's the bottom. Here's our tail and wheels. We have our canopy. And then some very small decals, but reasonably printed.